Welcome everyone for our first event for Buddy Talks. Tableau Buddy started this year, which really focused on one-to-one mentoring sessions. But to expand this horizon, I started this Buddy Talks. And on the first event, we are going to learn about how you are going to leverage Tableau Conference 2021. Tableau Conference is an event that is jam-packed with so many events. Besides events, there are different types of events as well, which Vani will be covering, that we call as brain dates. It is mostly a group discussion or mainly a one-to-one discussion. So before going over to Vani, many of you, I came across the form and I saw that almost 80 to 90% of you are going to Tableau Conference this year for the first time. So it is really important because you need to manage your schedule. And since there are so many events, you have to see what you want and what you don't want. And as per that, you might be working or maybe you might be studying. So you need to schedule your events, all the events around that. And you need to learn as much as you can because as for my experience, this is going to be my second Tableau conference. And I'll say that Tableau conference was a game changer for me. It was such an event that really changed my career from one place, and it just helped me take that leap. Through brain dates, which I was talking about, I did almost, I really don't know what the numbers were, but I think that I made around 30 or more brain dates. I met so many people out there, learned so much from them, talked about them with on the different topics concerning career, Tableau, design, and so many things. So I want to tell you all this because this conference, because it is going virtual, it is giving you one of the best, it is one of the best events we can say to close this year because if it was in person, like many of us wouldn't be able to attend all those events. But now, since it is virtual, we can take the best out of it. So Vani will be taking on, and she'll be discussing about what is Tableau conference and how we are going to leverage that. And there are so many things which are getting covered in Tableau conference. So she'll talk all about that. So before handing over to Vani, I just have some preset rules that I want you all to know. That is, you need to place your questions in chat box, and at the end of the session, we'll be having 50 minutes covered. That will be totally for Q&A, and I hope we'll be able to answer all your queries there. So Vani, are you ready? So
yes, Prasanna. Yeah.
Great. So I'll be handing over the platform to you. And now,
Okay. Thank you.
Great.
Yeah. Is my screen visible to all?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Perfect. So hi guys, as Prasanna said, I am Vani and I am a Tableau Social Ambassador of the present cohort. And I'm also working as a Tableau developer at Nunocal. If you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on any of these social handles, or you can also check out my blog, which is mentioned at the bottom, where I regularly share Tableau tips and tricks, which I learn in my day-to-day job. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about two main things which is happening very soon, which is next month, which is Tableau conference and brain dates. Now, a lot of you probably it's going to be your first Tableau conference, and it's also first Tableau conference for me because although last year I started using Tableau last year when the conference was happening, but I wasn't really aware what exactly Tableau conference was or how should I use it. So I was not able to join the conference because I was very clueless. But I did attend few brain dates, which were very, very useful to me career-wise. So let's start with Tableau conference. So basically, like Prasan also said, Tableau Conference is one of the biggest events of the year held by Tableau. And it's an amazing place to meet and interact with a lot of people who have been in the industry since much, much, much longer than any of us and who have more experience than us in the analytics industry, right? And why do I emphasize to attend the Tableau conferences? A lot of time, so Tableau conference, first of all, the best part about the conference is that it does not talks about the software, or it does not just talk about certain or one two aspects of Tableau, but it covers a lot of things. They talk about they host Iron Quiz, where live three people will be competing with each other. They also have musical sessions. They have a lot of events where people will be talking about a lot of technical stuff in Tableau. Some people will be sharing their design tips. Some Zen masters will come and talk about a lot of other stuff. So it's accumulation of variety of things which can help us in a lot of different ways. So it's going to be really amazing. Now, secondly, the one thing which I want you guys to focus on right away is brain dates. Now, why do I say that? Because brain dates basically um, they are sessions held by people in the industry who want to help everyone out by talking about certain topics which they have worked upon. And basically, they are like one-on-one sessions or maybe a group session where you can go and interact with people on certain predefined topics which they have set for us. Now, why should we focus on brain dates right away is because brain dates are happening while the Tableau conference is happening, and they are filling up very fast, right? So certain group brain dates have a predetermined number of seats. Like maybe 15 people can join or maybe 20 people can join in a group, which are filling up very fast. So if you want to take part in those brain dates, we have to do it right away. Okay. So last year I was not able to attend the Tableau conference, but Brain Dates was something which I did attend, and I am very, very glad that I did. Now, unlike Prasan, I did not attend 30 to 40 Brain Dates. I attended only three of them, which, trust me, was very helpful in my career because I was at a point where I was going to start a new job, and I knew that in my new job I was going to be using Tableau server. Now, Tableau server or online is not something which we normally can learn because they are not free or available online just for us to learn. So I saw that there were few brain dead sessions which were talking about how to leverage Tableau server or how to use Tableau online. So I jumped on them so that at least I have a bit of idea before going into my new job. And trust me, that helped me a lot because I was already aware of the interface of Tableau server, which helped me to make a good impression in my new job. So that was very good for me. And I also attended some design brain dates where I tried to learn some good practices about dashboard designing, which also again helped me in my new job. So that was there. Now, why I would suggest you to attend a brain date is that normally a lot of people like us who are just starting our career or maybe who have not been in the industry since a very long time, or maybe have not been using Tableau for a lot of years, we have a lot of questions, right? And we try to reach out to people who have been in the industry for a longer time, as you know, to seek some kind of mentorship or seek some advice from them. And we normally have a very short, small circle of people around us. So BrainDate is a great opportunity to actually talk with people around the world who have been there for much longer than us, who have more experience than us, and we can reach out to them just a click away, and we can ask them any question that we want, and they will be answered. So that's a great way to have a huge amount of perspective on a lot of things. And the Indians don't just end with Tableau conference, because why I'm saying this is that the connections and you make in brain dates stay forever. I'm still connected to all the people I went to brain dates with. I still talk to them from time to time and ask them for certain advice. So that's a great way to stay connected and to increase your circle as well, the professional circle, which can help you any day. Now, now that we know what exactly Tableau Conference and Tableau Brain Dates are, let's see how we can actually attend those. So Prasan will share the links in the group. So if you go to this link, you will be able to see a lot of brain deads that are over there. Like if you don't have a Tableau public profile, right? So when you go to this link, you will be asked to sign in. So if you don't have a profile, make a Tableau public profile. It will take few seconds. And once you have signed it, this is the screen which you will be seeing. Okay. So if you go to the market, you will see all these brain deads. So far, we have 154 topics already, which is a lot more than I guess than what we had last year, if I remember correctly. And we have 769 people who have registered on the site for brain dates. So that's a great amount of number. And one more thing, which is very good this time, is that a lot of people are hosting one-on-one brain dates. A lot of us, when we start, we are very intimidated to talk with a lot of people at the same time, for the first time especially. So maybe group brain dates don't work with a lot of people. So a lot of good topics are one-on-one, which is great. Now, how do you choose which brain date to go for is, for example, like I said, last year I was going to start a new job where I had to use Tableau server. So like if you see the first topic itself, uh, also I noticed there are certain brain dates this time which are focusing on hiring people. So if you're looking for a job, do check out these brain dates. Now, if let's see this one, for example, if you do a lot of visualization and certain times we have a whiz block, if we just cannot, proceed with an idea, we are stuck. So this is a great topic. If you click on it, you will also see a small snippet, a small summary of what the brain date is going to be about. And if you like it, you can just uh, join the brain date. You can just invite this person to a virtual brain date and you will be asked to pick three timings. And the other person and you, whichever timing suits you both, the other person will accept that time and you will see your brain dates in your profile. Right? If you go to the brain dates, you will see a confirmed brain date over there. Once both of you have accepted a timing, which works for both of you. Now, this is one thing where you can just click and see which brain date works for you and enroll in that or schedule a brain date. One more thing which I noticed this time, I did not notice last time, was, for example, if you go to people, right? And there are certain people you think that, after reading their summary, you think that, okay, I do want to talk to this person because their job profile seems a lot similar to mine or seems like something I want to do. So let's talk with them. So maybe if I want to talk to Prasan, I'll search for him and I can invite him on a brain date. Okay. Now you can invite the person on a brain date if you have your own topic. So what I did was you can create your own topic where maybe you can write that, you want a one-on-one session on this topic. Maybe you know how to get into Tableau. And once you have created your brain date, then you can go to the market, search for people, and invite them on your brain date, right? And that way, even if that person does not have a brain date schedule, maybe if they are up for it, they will accept your brain date and you will be able to talk to them as well, and not just a group of people who have brain dates already on the site. So that's one thing. Now, one more thing, before going to a brain date, please remember that the person who is hosting a brain date is also, taking time out from his or her busy schedule to help you out. So my suggestion would be to go with a bunch of questions prepared already, right? Now, if I am going to attend a brain date on Tableau online on server, there are certain reasons why I want to do that, right? Maybe I want to learn a part of it. Maybe I'm facing a problem at my regular work, which I want to get cleared from the person who has been doing it much longer than me. So maybe I will prepare those questions and I will ask the person those questions in the brain date without wasting time because we already have 15 minutes or half an hour and we should just maximize the benefits out of it. So always go in with some questions prepared before and just to get the conversation started. Maybe not a lot of questions, but just a few. Okay. So this was about the brain dates. Once you are done with your brain dates, you will be able to go here and see all your brain dates. Now I would suggest you to, uh, once you start doing this, you will also have an option of syncing your calendar. So I would suggest to sync your calendar so that you keep on getting reminders as to, when your brain deaths are. Otherwise, we tend to forget. So that's there. The second thing now is Tableau Conference. So why I'll be focusing first on brain deaths because they are filling up very fast. So do that, and then we can go to Tableau Conference. So once you go to this site, right, you will be asked to register. If you have already registered, like I have, you can just click on build your schedule. Okay. So I'll click on build your schedule because I've already registered for Tableau Conference and I was redirected to this site. Now I'm already signed in, but if I'm not already signed in, you would have gotten a sign in option over here. And again, sign in with the same credential you use in your BrainGate or while registering any of them. And you will see this site. This is the Tableau Conference homepage. Okay. Now, over here, we have a snippet of what all is going to be covered. This time, Tableau has gone a bit further to make the event as live as possible, and that's why they have a Slack channel also, which will start once the Tableau conference starts. It's not active right now, but it's there. So if you want, you can go and join the Slack channel, launch Slack, and enter the Slack channel. All the people who are attending the Tableau conference will be on that channel, and literally everyone is just a message away. So to make the event much more lively and to make it feel like a live event, all this is being done. So I would definitely suggest to join the Slack channel and join the conversation with people. Okay, this is one. After you have joined the Slack channel, you can go to episodes and see the schedule, broadcast schedule. Now, the great part about this is if I go to all episodes, Tableau conference is being held in different time zones. So if you are like we are in IST, so I would have chosen Asia Pacific so that all the timings of all the events would be IST friendly. So that's there. So if you want, you can filter out, like, if you want to check out only topics of certain preferences, then you can select them. But I'm not putting any filters. I've just selected all episodes. And this is what you get, right? So if you just keep scrolling down, there are innumerable amount of episodes and topics which are happening in Tableau conference. Now, a lot of them are repeating because they are happening in different time zones again and again. For example, if I see that this has not been added to my calendar. So for example, if you see this topic and if you find this interesting, so what I'll do is I'll click on this, I'll go ahead and I will read a bit about it. I'll read the summary. Okay. And if you want, you can also check out who is going to be speaking at that event. If the summary is something which is suiting my needs right now, then I will simply add it to my calendar. Just a click and it will be added. Okay. Now I'll again go back and similarly, I will just keep out checking all the events which make sense to me, right? For example, leadership plans for scaling Tableau and building data culture. Okay. So why I've chosen this topic because I also want to build data culture in my own team where I'm working. So I thought, why not attend this and see what leaders are talking about how to build a data culture. So I added this to my schedule. Similarly, there are a lot of events happening where, for example, minimalist designs. A lot of us are not very good with designing part. So I also added this to my schedule. And trust me, this guy, his designs are amazing. So it's definitely worth it. He's also an Ironviz finalist. So definitely check out this event. After you are done with adding all the events to your calendar, you can go to the broadcast schedule and you can click over here and you can click on my schedule. And you will see everything which has been added to your calendar. Again, I would say sync up with your calendar so that you keep on getting invites. So that's it for November 10, 11, and 12. 3 days of Tableau conference, and it's jam-packed with a lot of events. As you can see, I have tried to attend as many as possible. Obviously, we will not be able to attend all, but try to attend as many as possible, which makes sense to you, right? Also, if you're not able to attend any of the event which you wanted to, you will also get recordings after the event ends. To make it much more interactive, guys, this time there are going to be a lot of demo events while the Tableau conference is happening, maybe Zoom sessions. So Tableau is trying to make the event as live and as interactive as possible. So do tune in. Last time this was not there. There were only events happening, but this time there's going to be a lot of interactivity. So you will be able to build a huge amount of social network, which definitely helps a lot, guys. So this is what all I am doing, attending brain dates and building my schedule and being ready for Tableau conference. That was from my side. If you guys have any question, I can take those.